Today's journey takes me through one of the Bhutan's quiet wonders, the hike to WANGDITSE. The trail winds gently through towering pine trees. The air is sharp and cold, and the wind whispers through the forest like an ancient prayer. Colorful prayer flag stands above me, carrying hopes and mantras into the sky, reminding me that every step here is sacred. And then there it is, standing tall and majestic, WANGDITSE temple reveals itself, watching over the valley like a timeless garden. I have reached my destination, not just a place, but a feeling. This is WANGDITSE.